Okay guys, welcome to my channel once again. On this channel, what I do is to share various opportunities that will guide you on the step-by-step method to earn money online. And in this video now, I'll be showing you a new platform that was launched some days ago, and the platform have been proven to be paying, and I'll be introducing the offer that is currently available right here on this platform. So what you need to do is to sign up with the link in the description of this video. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe for frequent notification and turn on the notification bell for the YouTube notification to be able to reflect on your phone whenever I upload a new video like this one. If you stick with me on this channel, I frequently share opportunities, and some of them are free and some are paid platform that you need to grab the offer on time so that you can be able to make money online for free. And also for the paid one, you can also get to dive in early so that you'll be on the profit side, because nobody is giving you 100% promise that any platform, no matter how promising it will appear and legit at a start, you need to apply wisdom in order to make money online and be on the safer side without losing your capital. So on this particular platform, there is something that is beneficial here. So when you sign up, you receive, I think, 500 naira welcome bonus. So when I go to mine, so when I click on mine here, you will see what I've been able to earn. So currently, I will click on my bills. So when I click on my bill, you will see that I have been able to be tapping daily on this platform. So I actually signed up on the 8th of this month, and today is making it, I think today is making it 4 days. Now I will show you what I have been able to earn. And as I signed up, when I sign up, I receive 500 naira bonus. So this is where you need to uh see it right here now. And this platform is just a Nigerian platform where you can sign up daily to earn 15 naira. So as you can see, I've been earning 50 naira every day when I log into this platform. So I'll be showing you how to do that. Also, when you sign up and copy your link, share with your friends, you can be able to also receive 15 naira as a referral commission without the person having to deposit money on this platform. So, and the minimum withdrawal you can cash out is 1,200 naira. So as you can see that I've accumulated 600 naira as a bonus from the daily task performance. Now when we go to home page again, you will see here we have what is called sign in button. So this is sign in button. What this sign in button does is that every morning after 24 hours you click on it like this. So as you can see, I've already entered my sign in for today, and it's not allowing me to perform again. But if you are new to this platform, once you click on sign in, it will pop up a message asking if you want to sign in truly. So you click yes and you receive your daily bonus. That is how it works, and you can cash out by coming to this page. So as you can see, there is receiving account number here. What you need to do is to tap here and insert your account details. So just tap here, and you need to click right here this add button. So click on this add button. Now you can be able to put your bank details carefully, and then you can be able to withdraw your money. And withdrawal fee is always 10% from your withdrawal balance. Now when you are depositing, if you want to earn higher, let me say you want to make deposit into this platform. So what you need to do now is to come to this place that is showing equipment. So when you come to this equipment section, you see that there are list of plans available for purchase here. So the first plan is called micro power station. So what you be earning every morning is 190 192 naira, and this cycle will last for 25 days. So and the total that is actually what you'll be benefiting. So the earnings are not really much, but I think it's one of the criteria that we can use to identify a better platform to invest if you're looking out for a platform to invest like this. So but always make sure you invest wisely. I'm not your financial advisor, but I show you what I do online. So and for you to be able to purchase this plan or consider any of this, so what you need to do is to come to this homepage again. So there is a need for you to top up. So assuming you want to top up, you need to click on top up here to recharge, and a page like this will pop up. You will need to choose the method of top up you want to apply. So if you want to use naira option, you can literally select the amount you want to deposit. So these are the amount you can deposit, and if you want to use TRC20, which is dollar method, you can literally tap on it, and you can see that the minimum top up is just $10, and you can follow it up. And this $10 according to their exchange rate is 7.1. So this is how it is. And now if the recharge fails, please log out and initiate the payment according to the precaution given here. If you cannot recharge, please use Google Chrome to enter the app to recharge. When using USDT to recharge, you must upload a transfer screenshot and transaction ID. So just screenshot if you're using USDT method of transaction or deposit. Now the minimum deposit is 3,000 naira. When depositing in with USDT, the minimum becomes 10 USDT according to what you have seen here. So guys, when you are done selecting the amount you want to deposit, you can literally confirm it here. So just confirm it here. Now you go ahead and make the transaction successfully. When it has reflected, you come to equipment now, and then click on purchase. You can click on purchase here to buy equipment for yourself. Also, another option you can use to purchase a plan to earn higher is by earning daily. After a few days, you can be able to upgrade with your balance. So as you can see, I have already earned up to 1k profit on this platform. So that is how you do it, and then you can play around the platform. And likewise, you can come to this place and contact the customer service if you want to inquire anything about the platform. So I only show you what works for me, and I believe you need to grab the offer now. So if you want to verify anything, they have both. I've actually chatted with this one, so you can literally chat with any of these customer service. Now you can get to inquire about anything concerning this platform and get verified instantly. So guys, that is how it works. I just show you what you can do to make money online using this free platform. So you can earn daily, and minimum withdrawal is 1,200 naira, and you can withdraw into your bank or using USDT method of withdrawal. So guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell for frequent update and how to make money online faster ways in 2022. As you can see, we're having few days to go, and I believe that people will actually make money within these few days using genuine strategy that I'll be sharing on this channel. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.